Namaste. How many of you got 100 out of 100 in your SSC or 10th class in your favorite subject? Probably very less, or you got a good amount of marks, at least not 100 out of 100. But before the exam, did you expect that you will get that marks or not? Probably you may expect something else, means you may expect 100 out of 100, but you only got just 95 or 99 probably in that particular subject. For example, I will take my example as well. In my case, my favorite subject is mathematics. So I expected 100 out of 100, but I got 99. I got depressed at that moment. So what is expectations and what is self-belief? Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. Today I am going to talk about the difference between the expectations and self-belief. So there are two important aspects which we have to consider this difference. Otherwise, we will be in a mess. The first is about your career. So whenever you're talking about a career, again, you have to understand what is your expectation and what is your self-belief. Before going into it, let me explain what is expectations and what is self-belief. In my example of getting 100 out of 100 in mathematics, in my case, is expectation. But my belief is I can do mathematics. I am a pro in mathematics. So that is what I believe at that moment also, right now also. So after that, I got good amount of marks in the competitive exams, and I was a topper from my college. So that is what self-belief is. But expectation is, there is some particular point, like for example, I want to get 100 out of 100. That is what expectation is. Self-belief is, I am pro in mathematics. I can do miracles in mathematics. So that is what self-belief is. In the same way, if you are talking about your career, I will get an on-site in the next cycle or next quarter. That is what expectation is. I can get a good on-site in the coming few days, and definitely if not that, I can sustain in any other company who may provide me on-site. That is what self-belief. So that is what expectations and self-belief. So you have to be very careful whenever you are taking this point. There is very thin line between this expectation and self-belief. So that is what about career. Not about only on-site, it's about earning money. Right now you are earning at least 30,000 bucks, for example. Next month you will get a promotion. You are actually expecting that I will get a promotion over here, but you didn't get it. Then you will be depressed and you cannot work. But if you have self-belief at that moment, you can go and talk, or you can change your job. There are a lot of options. First, that is about believing in yourself. That is in the career point of view. Second and most most important thing is about relationships. So here also there are a lot of expectations for everyone. Probably everyone expects some or other thing from you. If you are in relationship, probably the opposite person expect something high, whatever you are doing. If you are talking about your mother and father, they expect you to take the responsibilities sometimes, or you to pay the money, pay the bills and all. That is their expectation, right? In the same way, there are expectations with your wife and your daughter, if you have your child and all. So a lot of expectations will be there. But what is your self-belief? So if you believe that I can sustain and I can actually manage all these things, you can easily handle anything. You have to first of all think how you should manage. You should be having the self-belief. Expectations will be high in everyone's point of view, definitely. But if you are not having self-belief, that expectations will be vanished, and even you cannot expect something from them as well. They will be even more worse. The relationship will be more worse. Even in between a husband and wife, if a wife will expect something from you, or the husband expects something from you, so that's what, that expectations will be there. But if you believe in yourself, it's not about negative belief, it's not about ego as well. It's about, if you are right, please stick to it. It's okay. Sometimes some people will go out of your life, but again they will come back. So I have experienced this a lot of times because of my mistake or because of some situations. I couldn't reach their expectations. It can be my friends, it can be my family and all. But I believed that I have done the correct thing. I waited. If they didn't come, it's okay for me, because I believed in my idea and I stick to it. So that is what self-belief is. Expectation, yes, I know that they have some expectations on me. It's not in my hands, that I cannot control their expectation. I can only control my self-belief. So this makes a lot of impact in your life as well. So understand the difference between expectation and self-belief. Thank you guys. Do like this video and please do subscribe to my channel. Namaste.